Wanna bring in something. You remember we met at this award function recently? There was some award function we met at like, last year.
There's such few of them nowadays that I don't remember.
There was something I met you at,
Huh.
and I'd seen you after a very long time. And my first reaction was, dude, you're looking so nice. But that was one fat kid talking to like another fat kid. That good.
You've done
No, it's really good seeing this version of you, but I also want to know about like the overweight version. What was going on in your head then? Were you like still confident you'd like lose all the weight?
You know what also happens sometimes now is you can go into a downward spiral with anything. So when you wake up in the morning and you're like 85 kgs and nothing really fits, you're like 85 to 96, like what difference does it really make? Which is the worst way to be.
That
And
happened?
that's what started happening to me. Because I was in college and I was already fat. And I was like, so now fatter means what? Like fat is fat. So then let me just eat the brownie. Why the brownie? Let me eat all the brownies. That started happening, which is something that like obviously like maybe with weight one is learned to control little bit. Even though I do have problems with weight, I have problems with weight till now.
Really?
Yes.
What
In
do you mean
Jan,
problems with?
in Jan, I was overweight. Yeah, again, I was told to lose weight. Yeah, my thighs became chunky, my face became big. That does happen. I really have to be extremely mindful of what I'm eating. Go to a Qatar with Ananya and you don't want to see her again for a month. Like we had pizza for lunch and sushi for dinner. I'm really like not forgiving her. She ordered the dessert and didn't eat it. I finished it. Hate her a little bit. Whatever. But
Maybe
anyway,
it was planned, sir.
no,
No,
Bichari, she's very sweet. She
Ananya's
would never
great.
do that. But you know, it's important to keep staying on track with weight for me. Very important.
Okay.
Yeah.
What got into you at that point in order to lose weight?
Karan Johar.
Really?
He came home and said, I want to offer you a film. But you need to like lose 1/3 of you if I'm being polite, half if I'm being accurate. And I said, okay, fine, I'll try.
How much weight did you lose if you're okay?
45 kgs plus. I was 96. And when I shot Sweetheart and Chaka Chak, I was 53, 54. That's like the weight. Right now I'm about 57. I'll be 56 by the time I'm on my set in a week. 56 is okay to shoot 54 for songs.
Yeah. Damn. Okay.
Yeah.
What did you eat in order to become 96 kg?
Just pizzas. Pizzas, burgers, triple chocolate. You know, like today, if you told me I can have 3 triple chocolate chip brownies for breakfast, I would remember every bite. I don't even remember, like, just inhale them like popcorn. It's terrible.
Yeah. I know exactly what you mean.
Motivation is required.